What's up, y'all? Tamara here from Crayzo Fleets. Come with me as I clean out my Nissan for a booking at 2:30. So this is how she's looking after I just got her back at 10 o'clock this morning. Pretty decent. The runner left her in good condition, but I'm finna clean her up real quick. So let's get to it. Okay, FYI, if you book with me, I have a no smoking policy. So thank you to my renter, because even though I have a no smoking policy, I still smoke. Thank you. Okay, now that the car is cleaned on the inside, we're gonna take it through the wash and get it cleaned on the outside.
My best hitter. Try to tell her that I scrum back, full up, no caterpillar. Try on my necklace, cost 6 figures. I don't think a nigga pat more hoes than juice up in a sprinter. You don't think we having motion? You don't think we getting money? You don't hear about niggas. Oh, something honey, fuck him, he ain't have it. Tell that nigga I'm trying to fuck with him.
My renter also said my right tail light was out, so we at AutoZone getting that replaced. And let's go shopping while we in here. Okay, so y'all know my name is Raspberry, but they don't have raspberries. So the closest thing to that is strawberries, so we finna do strawberries. And I want to get some new mats for the car as well and throw them cloth ones out. So let's see. Go with the old, in with the new. If I can get it in there. There we go. Okay, car is clean. New mats. I seen this thing on TikTok shop, like the little leather cloth thing. So I'm gonna order that to cover that up. And then yeah, she's ready to be picked up at 2:30. I'm gonna put some more gas in her, and we're gonna park this baby.
Acting bad, cost me from the dealership. Tell them niggas slide. We ran